What if I told y'all these mozzarella sticks are from Dave's Hot Chicken? Not gonna lie, that presentation is amazing. Let's just grub. Gotta try it with no sauce first. Girl, hold the damn phone. That crisp is fire. I got these in extra hot and it's pretty damn hot. Let's cool it down with some ranch. Bomb combo. And some Reaper Ranch because I'm feeling crazy. Ooh. Would you like a bite? They even came out with the hot mozzarella slider. Some Dave sauce. I could see this hitting for the vegetarians. And lastly, let's try it with the tenders. Dave's Hot Chicken, this was a genius idea.